Entrepreneurs, strategists, and product leaders, how many hours have you wasted tweaking business models that just don't click? Misaligned value propositions, broken customer segments, and revenue streams that leak money. It's like building a house on sand. Our pack fixes this with AI powered Canvas templates that auto align market demands to operational realities, drag and drop modules for rapid prototyping, real time fit analysis scoring value propositions against 10K plus data points, and predictive revenue frameworks that stress test 5-year projections. This isn't guesswork, it's strategy engineering. Founders, CXOs, and innovation teams, imagine transforming chaos into clarity before your next board meeting. Spoiler, your pivot table won't know what hit it. Here's what's inside the business model Canvas pack. Start with the value proposition matrix. It cross references pain points against 200 plus industry benchmarks. Next, the customer segment validator uses clustering algorithms to isolate high LTV personas. Drag and drop channel optimizer maps touch points to conversion rates, while the revenue stream simulator stress tests pricing models with Monte Carlo analysis. Wrap up with the market fit dashboard, which synthesizes everything into a single alignment score. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Strategy just got a whole lot more precise. Installing the business model Canvas pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add business model Canvas pack. That's it. It downloads the full workflow, all 7 modules, AI frameworks, and analytics engines. No config files, no API keys. Next time you open Claude Code, your AI assistant becomes a strategy co-pilot, auto-generating canvases, validating assumptions, and flagging revenue risks. Warning: may cause sudden clarity in meetings. Transform your chaos into cash faster than a VC pitch deck.